Good morning. Now I am going to show you warming up exercises on chair. It is basically for aged people who cannot do hard exercises. First thing is sit comfortably in a chair. First you have to rotate the knee. See here? Clockwise, anti-clockwise, double leg, clockwise, anti-clockwise, double leg, clockwise, anti-clockwise. Then afterwards, 1, 2, 3, stretch. 1, 2, 3, stretch. 1, 2, 3, stretch. 1, 2, 3, stretch. This is one set of exercises. Anybody can do it. But now you will have to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is all stretching the knees. Single leg, stretching the knees. Now you have to do double leg. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Relax. This is how you have to loosen your lower body. Now lifting it. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. Now put the leg like this. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. Now put it down. Here 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. This is all folding the legs, losing the lower part. Now alternative. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. Now double leg. 1, 2, 3. Next variation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next variation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is how to loosen your lower body. Now stretch yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4. Raise your hand. Now we are going to show you standing leg warming up. The purpose of this standing leg warming up is to strengthen the hip. Number 1, hands on your head please. Heel raise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Instep raise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Outstep raise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down. Relax please. Again hands on it. Turn left side. Back raise. Heel raise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Instep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Outstep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax. Now knee twisting. Hands on head. 1, heel, heel, 3, heel. Down. Left leg. 1, 2, 3. Down. Instep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down. Now outstep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down. Relax. Please go back. Down. Now again hands up please. Inside folding leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Outside stretching like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down, turn that side, back side, turn that side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn this side, please. Finish it. Now we are going to show you warming up exercises for shoulder. That is called mopping exercises. Please go there. 2 circles clockwise and anti-clockwise 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put it down hand. Automatic 1 exercise. Now again put it. Same circle, same side circulars. 1, 2, 3, 4. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now double circle and stretching front up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. Now diagonal, same thing. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4. Diagonal. Again. Front up vertical. Again diagonal. Now same thing arch, upper and down arch. So 2 circulars. Do it 1, 2, 3, 4. Down arch, upper arch now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again down arch. Upper arch. Down. Now double and circular and diagonal arch. Upper arch. Double and 1, 2, 3, 4. Reverse left side. Again right side. Left side. Next exercise, same thing, arch downwards. Again, the other side. Again. Relax. Next exercise we are going to do horizontal 8. Do it. Stop. Vertical 8. Reverse. Relax, please. Now we are going to show you cervical warming up exercises. First one is, stretch your hands please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Then alternative. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Now second exercise is twist your wrist. 1, up 1, down. 1, down. 1, down. 5, 6 down. Left hand please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Next exercise is forearm. Lift your forearm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left hand, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Next exercise is wrist press inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stretch your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Other hand, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Palm reverse. Stretch your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stretch your hand, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other hand, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stretch, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Wrist inside out. One position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left hand, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Now elbow pushing backside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax, please. One hand up. Press it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Elbow left hand, please. Push it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Put both hands down. Now again right hand up. Push it back and sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other hand, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax, please. Both hands up. Back side, both hands, same thing. 1. Bring it forward. Down side, back. 2. 1, friend. 2, back. Again, 3, 4. Turn that side. Hand back, hand back. Keep the hand back. Again, one more time, friend. Back. Turn friend, please. Now next is sideways. 1. Back. 2, 3, 4. Turn that side. Same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, turn front, please. Upside down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Be there. Turn that side. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn front, please. Both hands here. Right hand catch, left hand back hand. Pull your right hand. Catch. Turn this side. Turn this side. Turn that side. Pull it. Pull it hand down. 1. Shoulder back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now come. Again. Hand. Reverse it. Put it up. 1, Come forward 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn that side please, release your hand. Same thing, hook again, back side. Reverse. 1 up, bend forward, bend forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Little more bend. 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn please. Release and turn. Turn 1. Again 3, 4. Go back. Wait there. Turn 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn please. Relax yourself.